is Leo. I'm from Italy, Roma. I just sold a flat in the 5th district, and I have to tell you that the Remax service was absolutely excellent, efficient, and I'm really satisfied with Cecilia, which is the real estate agent which helped me in sale. And I was in trouble because I had to sell it in a very short time, and she managed to help me and to sell the flats practically in a couple of weeks, and with a really good price, almost the price that I originally was asking. So I really recommend the Remax Group Real Estate and this person as a real estate advisor and seller. That's for sure. I know her quite well since a few years, and I really have good and very well feelings and experience with her. I really recommend Cecilia, and for sure in the future, if there is any if there will be any other occasion or real estate need, I will ask her to help me. That's for sure.
Thank you so much.